How to use advanced option to profit over 11,000. In this video, I'm going to give you 2 call options that I have been trading. After watching until the end of the video, you're going to know how to buy options very cheaply using advanced option trading. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. I made over 11,000 with Meta using advanced options from January 1st to July, at the end of July. So within 7 months, that's pretty good. Meta stock jumped over 12%, so around 13%, 780 over. So because of great earnings, so I bought Meta call options. I sent out alert to my Patreon member. September 9 expiration date, 730 call options. So gain over 145%, so more than twice, 2.5 times the initial capital within 10 days. So it was only 28.45, so 2,845. Now it hit 69.75. One call option represents 100 shares. So if you see this number, you need to multiply with 100. So if you sell this call option, you would get $6,975. So I sent out an alert on July 17. There was only 28.45. So it was pretty good, the jump. And also I also bought call option number 1. Expiration date December 18, 2026. So this one still has so much time. Longer expiration date and higher strike price as well. It gained over 47.32% within 10 days. So it was only 88.75, 8,875. Now $13,076. So 47.32 on the same day. See, July 17, 88.75. So why did I buy 2 options? One is I want to hold Meta call option for a long time. I used to own 100 shares of Meta, but I sold it to freeze up the capital to buy other stocks and options. So hey, I don't want to lose out because I knew that Meta's gonna jump. So I bought longer date leap option. So what is leap option? Leap option is something with the expiration date longer than 1 year. Okay, longer than 1 year is a leap option. So 800 strike price, because I know that I believe that Meta's gonna be over 800 by the end of next year. So I chose this 800. So it was only $700 when I chose this Meta. So now it's already 780. So almost there. Okay, almost there. So I should have probably chosen like 830 or 850, but I want to be a little bit conservative, want to be on the safe side, and I chose 730 strike price for September 19th because I knew that hey, Meta probably gonna jump. Okay, so at the time when I was only 700, around 700, below 700, so was going down just before the earnings. Then after that it jumped, so it's more than double. Of course, the downside of short expiration date is a time decay. You're gonna lose option value much faster if it's shorter expiration date. If it's longer expiration date like this one, no, you wouldn't even know the difference. And very good thing is that Meta has a longer time to reach this strike price as well. And so what happened to Meta? Meta report really great earnings. Okay, they also issue very good guidance. Third quarter sales between 47.5 billion and 50.5 billion ahead of Wall Street estimate. When you raise your estimate better than expectation, the stock most likely gonna jump, and especially when it's occupied followed by great results. Okay, if it's not together with great result, your expectation may not matter much. There is capital expenditure also increased a little bit, 2 billion, just 2 billion, 66 billion. Used to be 64 billion, now 66 billion and 72 billion. But their result was fantastic. Look at this, 7.14 EPS versus 5.92. 47.52 billion revenue versus 44.8 billion. So very good, very great earnings. And they also invest lots in AI. So they hire so many employees related to AI. They had to use so much money. So that's why their capital expenditure jump. But they also lay off other roles. Okay, second quarter sales increased 22%. The company is already big, but they are still performing really good, double-digit growth. Look at this. Third quarter sales, yep, really good. Expenditure and compensation. You see, the increased expenditure is because of the increased hiring in AI. AI, they need to hire great people. They have been trying to poach people for other companies, pay premium on daily active user increase as well, 3.4 billion compared to estimate of 3.45 billion. So that's pretty good. It's also up from previous quarter of 3.43 billion. So that's why they try to increase the engagement in Facebook, Instagram. They've been successful, pretty much very good. And yeah, AI, because of the invested AI in Scale AI 14.3 billion. So that's why it's normal. Investors are happy, as long as you spend, you can bring in more money, they're gonna pay you for it. Okay. And how do I trade options cheaply? I use Blue Cross spread. Why is it called Blue Cross spread? Because if the stock underlying asset, the stock goes up, it also goes up. Okay. So you saw that if you just buy 800 call spot price, you need to pay like over 13,000 right now, right? Over 13,000. 800. Initially, it was 8,000, over 8,000. If you look at this one, see, initially it was only 88.75, 8,000. But I decreased the cost a lot, 10 times. I only paid $850, right? I also gained right now 20.82% return, very short time, like within 10 days. Of course, this went down a little bit, 4%, because Meta went down 3.03%. If I had bought just call option, that would have went down much more. This is cheaper because I'm buying 800 call strike price, December expiration date 2026. I'm selling 825 call, the same expiration date. So that's why it's cheaper. So it's like if you want one night stand, usually most men gonna go out, spend an hour before going out, then spend at the club for like 3-4 hours, then come back an hour. Yeah, it takes so much time. And plus, if you don't get the girl, your whole evening, the night, and the day after is wasted. Even if you get a girl, you both wake up late, you waste for like half a day or maybe even the next day. So you waste 2 days just to get profit, which is the girl, right? Hey, if you are at the advanced level, you don't do that, okay? You travel, you meet a girl, you talk to her, you go shopping, you talk to her, you do along the way. So that decreases the cost of obtaining a girl, okay? If you decrease the cost, hey, you know what? If the girl likes you, follow you, great, perfect, right? You don't cost, it doesn't cost a lot. The same way, Blue Cross spread, it doesn't cost you a lot. If it goes up, you profit. If it goes down, you lose just a little, okay? If the girl comes with you, hey, your shopping trip is a bonus, right? The girl is a bonus. If the girl doesn't come with you, doesn't follow you, hey, at least you still have to do shopping anyway. You are doing what you have to do anyway, so your cost is minimized. The same way book or spread, the cost is minimized, the risk is minimized. Even if it falls down, your risk is minimized. Okay, that's why I like book or spread. So that's how you do. Okay, and how do you buy and sell book or spread? First, you buy one lot. Okay, 800 C buy, then you sell the 800. If you just buy 800, so right now the cost is how much? 11,000. Okay, that's a lot. Yeah, it's cheaper than buying 100 shares of Meta right now, which is over 70,000. But if you want to get it cheaper, you don't have money, right? You can sell 820, then you just need to pay 1,000, 10 times cheaper. So that's how you do it. If you have any question, comment down below. If you want to learn more, go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto. Subscribe to the channel, check out my playlist. You will learn stock investing, call option, put options, and advanced options, and day trading momentum stocks. If you want to open an account or you want to reach out to me, the link will be in the YouTube description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.